Hello, Namaskara. Nano Prasad Kulkarni. We have bought this house around 9 years and we were looking for a complete renovation of our kitchen and we wanted good puja room. So we were looking for one of the interior designers and one of our neighbor gave the contact of Corner Joint. So when I connected with Narendra sir from Corner Joint, he was quick game. He suggested the designs and they gave us multiple options in choosing the designs. So finally we got our designs and you can see the house is now transformed. We have a beautiful puja room, a beautiful wall panel you can see behind me. And we have transformed our kitchen into a modern kitchen now. So thanks to Corner Joints, I would like to thank Narendra sir, especially where he helped us in finalizing our designs, and I would like to thank Srijit from Corner Joints who has helped us suggesting different types of models that we can look, and I would like to thank Pasha, who is site engineer, who made sure that the work is happening on the time, materials are available on the time, and the work is completed on the time. So thank you Corner Joints, and we look forward to work with you, and also I would recommend Corner Joints to others who are looking for beautiful transformations of their houses. Thank you.